Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. I'll check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Distrokid, how much I earned, $5,523 on Distrokid. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now I was looking up Distrokid and I saw a couple other YouTubers do a video like this, and I decided to share my earnings on Distrokid, showing you each store, how much I made on each store, so you can see what stores paid me the most. And also we're gonna go over why I still use Distrokid to this day, one of the main reasons. So yeah, make sure you comment, leave a comment in the description if you want to see me go through my other streaming platforms. As y'all know, like, I'm a part of all of the streaming platforms. So yeah, let's hop straight into it, man. So as you can see right here, first on the list, we got iTunes. So in iTunes, I made $101. You can see that on iTunes Match, I made 17 cents. Apple Music, probably the biggest one, man, $3,624, man, from Apple Music, man. Shout out to Apple Music, though. Spotify, we made $1,024 on Spotify. Damn. Pandora, only $2.27. Deezer, we made $15.74. What we make on Tidal, we made $33.62 on Tidal. We got $10 from YouTube ads. YouTube Red, damn, YouTube Red pays some money. $168, and I never really looked at this, like, going through the breakdown of this. It's kind of sweet. But $168, from YouTube Red. That's the YouTube subscription service y'all can buy. YouTube Content ID 0, because I didn't Content ID none of my stuff. Groove downloads $58.80 from Groove downloads. We made $58.80 on Groove. That's what's up. Google Play, we made $38.52. Google Play All Access, we made $52.47. That's what's up. You know what I'm saying? Amazon download $16.86. Amazon streaming on Prime, dang, I got 14. Y'all better tell Alexa to stream me. Or unlimited streaming was $75. You know what I'm saying? $75.50. That's what's up. You know what I'm saying? Beatport 0. Napster $4. Who be on Napster anyway? You know what I'm saying? KK Box. You know what I'm saying? Somebody play my shit up in Japan, boy. Distrokid referral program. Yeah, now this the one of the main reasons I'm still on Distrokid. You see, they paid out $290 so far. I made $550, so this still pay out like every month. They just gotta the thing about Distrokid referral program is that they gotta approve certain they gotta approve the referral for a couple of days, the cookie for a couple of days before they pay it out. So it just be lapping over into the next month. So yeah, let's keep it pushing. What else we got? What is Ann Hammy? We made 12 cents from Ann Hammy. TikTok, we didn't make nothing from TikTok, but as you can see, that brought me up to a total of $5,523.07 earned from Distrokid. Now let's go into the months so you can see how I was working month by month. You know what I'm saying? January, we got a little $25. That was most recent. That was probably all referrals. December, all referrals, because all my music not on my main music not on Distrokid no more. I moved it around. I got shit moved around. But November, we got $20. October, when I was really eating, like October 2000, I was really on here like November 2018, $500, a month off that. Let's go to July. $450, $452. August, what else in August? $190, $196. So you see, this, it should be fluctuating. That's why you need, like, 4 different pots. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, man, y'all can see it. I don't know what was my golden months. I guess it was just random months. Well, yeah, it was just consistent. I had so many different streams coming in. Y'all already know how your boy Yon World was doing it. But yeah, y'all see I earned 5 racks from Distrokid. So I hope this inspire y'all, to get out here and do something, because this not the only one I probably made. It's one I want to show, you know what I'm saying? That mug on fully, you know what I'm talking about? So yeah, it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. That's how much I earned from Distrokid. I'm out. Peace.